guys, the very first restaurant in this riverwalk was Casa Rio Restaurant, right in front of us. Nice colored umbrellas up there. That opened here in 1946. So this is how the boat thing got started. Casa Rio Restaurant was so busy in the 40s, they ended up putting people on the old gondola boats to keep them occupied while they were waiting in line for their table. Now we progress to the point, in the summertime, we put 10,000 people a day in these boats. So that little restaurant up there was our humble beginnings. This is the oldest Mexican restaurant on the river. It's owned by a German family. Always has been.
This is Alamo Street.
Next to me, Now guys, we're going to leave the man-made portion of the river. We're going to go out into the natural flow of this river. This out here has a regular mud bottom to it. This makes a natural horseshoe shape through the center of San Antonio. We're going into the bottom of the horseshoe right now.
I think you're right, Nicole. That's exactly where we ate. Look at these, they're playing the Mexican band, see? This is where Nicole and I ate last time.
This riverwalk had been here since the early 20s, but what really put this thing on the map was the World's Fair in 1968.
We ended up strike it up here.
7 million people here for the World's Fair. Had come up with hotel rooms around here in a big hurry, so we did a lot of renovating, a lot of different things to get ready for barbecue. Well, as the Hilton right here in front of us, this was built here in 202 working days. How they did that so fast is they built the first 4 floors and the elevator shaft right here. All these rooms were built in an assembly line 8 miles south of town. The rooms here were completely built, carpeted, wallpapered, fully furnished. Drove on flatbed trucks, and with a crane they were all stacked up here just like lagoons. This entire building took just shy of 8 months to complete. It's pretty quick for 500 rooms.
Oh, that's a big hotel. Yeah. That's a whatever it is. Hotel?
Sarah directly informed us is what we call La Villita. This translates to little village. In the 1700s, this is a Spanish tourist. Today, this is a real nice arts and crafts community. We're going to go through the Artists and River Theater up here. There's room on the left-hand side for 800 people. Stage on the right. Don't see the movie Miss Congeniality with Sandra Bullock. The swimsuit part of that was built right here on stage. This was built in 1939.
There's barely people here.
Notice the bells on top of the stage. The bells over here commemorate the 5 missions here in San Antonio. Now, my friends, in the 20s, the city wanted to take this river. If you look on the right-hand side, we have a couple trees growing out of the wall over here. The nearest they can figure, in 1921, when we had the big flood, little springs washed up inside that wall. And that big tree's been growing out there all these years.
Oh my God! Look at that, Nicole.
We know where this tree come from because the rest of it's still in the north town. The building on the left-hand side is another jury, and this is the City Public Service Building in 1921. To give you guys an idea how bad this flood got, if you look halfway up that building and see the concrete ledge, the water level here got almost to the concrete ledge. We ended up losing a third of San Antonio during this big flood, so this is why the city, when the teachers covered up, built over it. The ladies never gave up on this, and we still have it today. Aztec Theater here on the right-hand side opened in 1926. Originally as a silent movie theater. We just finished renovating this and opened this back up a couple years ago. The original Wurlitzer pipe organ is still in the theater. We have a lot of military history here in San Antonio. The bottom floor of the Macara Hotel was a saddle company called the L. Frank Saddle Company. They built saddles for Teddy Roosevelt and the Rough Riders and Pancho Villa. It's kind of both sides of the fence, but they're famous. Right now, guys, we're at the bottom of this natural horseshoe shape. This is the majority of all the restaurants. Mr. Hudman wanted this entire thing to be kind of a cross between Venice and New Orleans. Later on in the evening, we'll have dinner boats out of most of these restaurants. If you're interested in a dinner boat, there's a web page on your ticket. You can get breakfast, lunch, or dinner on these boats. Also, some coupons on the tickets for a lot of local restaurants. I don't like to have to drive down here 10 times a day when you're hungry. I'm good around here all the time. Mr. Hudman wanted to prove to people that having a business on this river was safe after he fixed the flood situation, so he put his own office at the bottom floor of the Clifford Building in 1941. It's known as the father of the river.
Wave, please, Michaela. Wave, Sophia. Wave, Caleb. We're heading back now the way we came.